Stars Learning TV.
Hi kids! Are you ready to explore all the cool and amazing parts of your body? From your head to your toes, every part has a special job to do. We're going to learn their names and what they do to help you run, jump, talk, and play every day. So, let's get started and find out all the fun things our body can do. Can you guess which part we'll talk about first? Let's go!
Hi kids! Today we are learning about our amazing body parts we use every day. Head, up top is your head, where your brain gets super smart. Our head is where all our thoughts and dreams live. Can you tell me what's the name of the part on top of our body that holds our brain? Head. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Hair. Our hair is our fluffy crown, making us unique and special. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that grows on top of your head? Hair. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Eye. Our eyes are like teeny cameras that help us see the beautiful world. Can you tell me what is the name of that part through which we can see anything? Eyes. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Eyelashes. Our eyelashes are soft shields that protect our eyes from dust. Can you tell me what's the name of the teeny hairs that keep dust out of your eyes? Eyelashes. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Ear. Our ears are special tools that let us hear music and laughter. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that helps us hear sounds? ear. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Nose. Our nose is our magical sniffer that helps us smell all the lovely scents. Can you tell me what's the name of the part we use to smell things? Nose. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Tick. Our ticks are like pillows that make our smiles extra cute. Can you tell me what's the name of the soft part on your face that makes your smile bigger? Cheeks. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Mouth. Our mouth helps us taste yummy food and share our stories. Can you tell me what's the name of the part we use to talk and eat? Mouth. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Tongue. Your tongue helps you taste yummy food and speak clearly. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that helps you taste food and say words? Tongue. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Lips. Your lips help you talk, smile, and blow bubbles. Can you tell me what's the name of the part we use to smile? Lips. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Teeth. Your teeth help you bite, chew, and show off your big smile. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that helps you bite and chew your food? Teeth. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Hand. Your hands are like tools, helping you grab, hold, and play all day. Can you tell me what's the name of the part we use to grab and hold things? Hand. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Arm. Your strong arm lifts you up. Hug and wave hello to everyone. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that helps us lift and carry things? Arm. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Feet. Your feet tap, dance, and carry you everywhere. Can you tell me what's the name of the part that helps us walk and balance? Foot. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids. Leg. Your legs run fast and jump high, taking you on big adventures. Can you tell me what's the name of the part we use to run and jump? Leg. Yes, it's correct. Well done, kids.
Great job, kids. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.